What if you could reorder products you buy frequently with a click of a button? That would be really convenient, right? And what if other types of tasks could be automated by businesses? Well, in today's data-driven world, organizations are constantly searching for ways to automate tasks to optimize productivity. Microsoft Power BI is an integrated suite of software tools, applications, and connectors that can help you transform your data sources into clear and compelling visualizations. Connectors play an important role in connecting to various data sources and executing actions or triggering workflows based on specific events. There are two types of operations available to create automated workflows: triggers and actions. In this video, you will explore how actions are triggered to create efficient and effective scheduled actions. So let's get started with triggers and actions in Power BI. Adio Quinn, a data analyst at AdventureWorks, a bicycle manufacturer, is responsible for analyzing daily sales reports and providing insights to the management team. However, the manual process of importing data from multiple sources and analyzing it can be laborious and time-consuming. To streamline this process, Adio asks your help to leverage Power BI's triggers and actions to automate the workflow. With Power BI, you can schedule an action to refresh the data and email the latest sales report to the management team. With this automated workflow in place, you can now focus on analyzing the data and providing valuable insights to the management team without worrying about the manual process of importing and analyzing the data. In Power BI, triggers and actions work together in configuring a workflow, either based on time or specific actions. A trigger is always required to initiate a workflow and prompt it to run. Additionally, actions in Power BI enable interaction with the data source through various functions. Automating tasks and processes with actions in your workflow can save time, reduce manual effort, and make your workflow more efficient. Moreover, scheduled actions in Power BI can automate tasks and actions based on specific time intervals. By setting up a schedule, reports and dashboards can be updated with the latest data regularly without manual intervention, thereby improving data accuracy and streamlining workflows. Now, we are going to explore how to set up a scheduled data refresh. When it comes to working with data in an organization, having access to the latest and most relevant information is essential. Outdated data won't be useful to the organization as it doesn't reflect the current situation. Relying on old data can even hinder the organization's growth, since there could be more recent and applicable data readily available. In this video, we'll explore the topic of automating tasks in Power BI. In Power BI, users have the option to create scheduled actions, which enable them to automate tasks and actions at specified time intervals. Today, you are going to help Adio, a data analyst at AdventureWorks, and his job involves regularly updating sales report datasets according to a predetermined schedule. By setting up a scheduled data refresh, Adio can now automate the process, saving him valuable time and effort. Let's begin by opening your browser and heading to https://app.powerbi.com/home to get to the scheduled refresh screen. In the navigation pane on the left-hand side of the screen, select Data Hub. Next, locate the dataset you wish to work with. In our case, the sales report dataset. Next, select the ellipses and then select Settings to expand the dataset settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can configure the trigger. Scheduled Refresh section is where you define the frequency and time slots to refresh the dataset. Let's walk you through the steps to set up an online refresh schedule in Power BI services. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Turn the switch to On. Step 2. You can modify the schedule to fit your needs. Choose the frequency you want the dataset to refresh, such as daily. Select the time zone you want to use, for example, UTC London. Under Time, select Add Another Time and enter a time for the refresh to occur. Repeat this step for additional refresh times as needed. Step 3. Once you're done, simply select Apply and you're all set. Did you know that you can easily adjust the frequency, time zone, and time of your scheduled refreshes in Power BI? This allows you to ensure that your data is always up to date and accurate. Plus, you can even set up scheduled notifications to be sent to a specific email address. How convenient is that? Beware, if your data set hasn't been active for 2 months, the scheduled refresh will be automatically paused. Are you ready for a quick rundown on data refreshing in Power BI? Great! As a Power BI user, refreshing data typically means importing data from the original data sources into a dataset. You can choose to refresh data based on a predetermined schedule or on demand, depending on your needs. If your underlying source data changes frequently, it may be necessary to perform multiple dataset refreshes daily. However, it's important to note that Power BI limits datasets on shared capacity to a maximum of 8 scheduled daily dataset refreshes. With these easy steps, you can now create a refresh schedule that works perfectly for you. In this video, you explored the topic of automating tasks within Power BI, specifically using scheduled actions to automate tasks and actions at specified time intervals. By automating processes such as data refreshing, users can save valuable time and effort. We walked through the steps to set up an online refresh schedule in Power BI services and highlighted the importance of periodically checking the refresh status and history to ensure data sets are error-free. Good job!